Hello and welcome to Red Fox Institute in our section Ask Your Holistic Vet. I'm Dr. Gonzalez. Many of the questions that you have sent me are almost the same. What treat should I give my dog? Well, let me start by saying that I don't like treats with processed food in them. If you have a treat and of course you see the ingredients but you don't see the amount of them, or especially if they have gluten, the biggest offenders are usually chicken, brown rice, barley, wheat, corn. Those kind of treats are processed foods, and they're going to cause inflammation in their gums and in their stomach. Okay, treats that are of different colors, I do not like either, especially if they are going to clean their mouth. I remember that movie when I was young called Soylent Green, with Charlton Heston, and when he goes screaming, "It's made out of people." Well, I call those treats Soylent Green because they have different colors, Soylent Blue, Soylent Yellow, like in that movie, but we don't know what they have in them. Okay, and so typically anything that is processed and combinations will cause inflammation. Even if you're giving good food to your dog, either raw food or home cooked food, or one of those holistic diets that are, bigger price, with no grains, if you're giving these treats, your dog will eventually become sensitized and create leaky gut. Well, what treats do you like? Well, I like treats that are natural. Okay, I like dehydrated treats. I like dehydrated meats. Okay, and you can always alternate beef, lamb, dehydrated beef, dehydrated lamb, dehydrated chicken, dehydrated turkey. You can give dehydrated sweet potatoes. I like those treats because your dog gets to chew on them, okay, and it doesn't cake their teeth. A lot of these treats, will cake their teeth and cause gingivitis, okay? So dehydrated, meats is the ones that I like. Well, can I feed bones? Yes, you can feed bones, if your dog is big and an adult dog. You can start feeding your adult dog, bigger breeds especially, bigger breeds, or medium breeds. You can start, giving them bones, raw bones, of like knuckle bones or marrow bones when they're about 6 to 7 months of age, not younger than that. Always supervised, okay? At least initially. Very well. So raw bones do not splinter. Cooked bones of any kind will splinter, and those splinter of the bones are going to be rattled in their stomach for 5-7 days, causing vomiting. You're going to have to bring them to the ER doctor, and it's going to be $2,000 worth of workup and supportive care. So do not give cooked bones. Smoked bones are okay. Smoked bones are okay, and they usually are in the holistic pet stores. Raw bones, marrow raw bones, you can obtain, of course, at your butcher, sometimes at the regular store. But when you give marrow bones, I cannot stress enough, you need to remove the marrow because it's greasy, okay? And most likely, will give your dog diarrhea and furthermore pancreatitis. Pancreatitis is serious, is vomiting nonstop, and requires, yes, 3 or 4 days of hospitalization, with $2,000 or $3,000 bill. Okay, so marrow bones are good, they're soft, supervise them, no marrow, just the bone. Okay, knuckle bones are good, pretty common. A lot of my patients, through the years, a lot of my guardian animals, they feed their little dogs chicken necks, turkey necks. They're square necks, they can square bones, they can chew on that. A lot of my animal guardians feed chicken backs. That's okay too. When the dog is big, and only for bigger breeds. Dobermans, Shepherds, Rottweilers can eat chicken necks, chicken backs, okay? Chicken necks especially, they tend to clean the teeth. The softest bones that I found are lamb or goat bones, okay? Those are ideal for treats too. There are other treats made out of milk, or yak or beef. You can have those too. Treats that break their teeth. Ice cubes will break their teeth. Do not give ice cubes because it will fracture the teeth, and any fractured teeth eventually will come infected, and that's again $2,000 or $3,000 of dental work. No ice, nothing really hard. Elk antlers, I used to like them, but the more I saw elk antlers, they tend to fracture teeth, so I don't recommend them anymore. Water buffalo horns, I still see some fractured teeth, but not as much. So water buffalo horns, if your dog is big, you might use those. You can smear some peanut butter, some yogurt inside, all right, but bear in mind that still, water buffalo horns, they might still break teeth. So I like the treats, the pieces of ligaments, okay? I like the bully sticks, no rawhides. Rawhides are the skin of a pig, usually, or of any other animal that's been treated chemically. do not give those. I know they look cute at Christmas and the little, stocking stuffer. They look in many shapes, but do not give those. As an ER doctor, I saw numerous times dogs eating rawhides, all those shapes, and dogs tend to eat them, break the pieces, and again, they get gastritis, for 3 or 4 days, pancreatitis. Do not give rawhides, okay? So, ligaments, bully sticks are good. Do not let him eat a whole pound of them. Just one is enough. That is the other thing. Oh, he likes that treat. Let me give him more, and then endlessly. No, they're gonna get sick. Very well. So now you know. Thanks for being with us. Until next time, with much love and gratitude, let's continue our journey.